Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to my kitchen at 11:18 at night on a Tuesday. As per usual, it's super late in the kitchen, so we're going to do a tidy up. We've just finished doing a little bit of meal prep. We pulled apart some chickens that of course we got on a markdown, and then I need to tidy up the rest of the kitchen because there's a lot that's happening in here this week. So yes, I have my beanie on because it is super cold. And oh yeah, I'm having a bit of a dance party today or tonight because I really need the motivation to keep me going. So I'm listening to Monster X. They're a K-pop group. They're our favorite. Oh yes, and here's a little dance break. I was just following one of the film clips. Yeah, I'm not a K-pop dancer. Look, here we go. But you know, give it a go. Why not? I'm actually wearing a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones. My hubby got them for my son for him at the computer because the cables break pretty easily. And yeah, I thought I would give them a go with the laptop, and it's so good because I can listen to music and no one else can hear it, or I can listen to a movie because sound travels really fast in our house and it echoes, and my son often complains that he can hear whatever I have on in the kitchen in his bedroom, so it's really hard for me to do anything late at night. So now that I have the headphones I'll borrow from him once he goes to bed, it makes cleaning a whole lot easier. It doesn't mean that I'll be any more organized with cleaning but at least it gives me a little bit of motivation. So let's have a little bit of a clean and I'll be back soon. My son normally empties the dishwasher. That's one of the tasks that he has during the week, but I completely forgot to ask him because I bet you that I probably ran this still during the day when we had enough power, but then I left it and I would have had to go to Zumba, and when I came back I forgot. So I'm just taking everything out that's here, giving a bit of a wipe over, and then I've got space to put more stuff in there. So I don't mind doing it from time to time, especially when I'm here. It looks good for the video and it makes me look like I work super fast. Oh, Kira kept coming into the room and I was like, look, I'm dancing. And she's like, oh no. So some bits I edit, you'll see me walking off because she's walked into screen and she knows that I'll edit her out. So she just stood there at the camera looking for a little bit. I kept going back to the laptop because I'm trying to skip some of the ads with the songs that they have, and also skip over some other bits and pieces that were just jumping up. It was really random. I've just got it on YouTube. It's just, I should create a playlist and then it's all there ready to go, but can't escape the ads, unfortunately. It's just what it is. I don't mind ads on the creators that I love to watch though, because you know, that's how we get revenue. So big thank you to everyone who does watch my videos and does watch the ads all the way through. I tend to just rewatch my video and just leave it running with the ads, to turn off the ad blocker. Yeah, I earn probably a whole 5 cents from doing it, but you know, it all adds up with everyone watching together, which is good. Oh, this was so funny. I'm trying to wash the dishes and parts of a really boppy song kept coming on, so I kept just having a little dance party in between doing bits and pieces. I laugh when I watch back any footage of stuff I've recorded because I sit there and look and think, why do I have certain things where I have them? And I am realizing while watching this, there is a pillowcase on the floor of my kitchen. So no doubt if you've been watching me for a little while, especially some of the cleaning videos, we just tend to throw into piles that gets dismantled very quickly, piles of laundry into our corridor, and then it's there ready to be washed. When I have the major motivation that I'm going to do all this washing, it gets put there in piles so I can systematically go through it all. And I get through about 3 loads and then decide that's enough. And then sometimes random things do get kicked into the kitchen, which in today's case is a pillowcase. So I did hit stop record at the end of this, and I did pick it up and it went back to where it should be, but I just wanted to point that out in case anyone is like, what on earth is on your floor? Every time I'm doing the dishes lately, it's funny because we get to washing the pots and pans, and then on the bottom of them, there's a little bit of like build up grease and black stuff. And I really want to give them a good scrub. And sometimes I will do it when I'm washing them, but then other times I think, no, save it. And then when you're doing like a massive clean of everything, that'll be really good to include. So then that task gets put off for like another 2 to 3 weeks. I will give them enough of a scrub just to make sure nothing major has built up, so if we're cooking it, nothing's going to catch fire or anything like that. So yeah, but there's always just so many little tasks to do in the kitchen, I find. So yeah, it's never ending. We're going to stick a dishwasher tablet in the dishwasher, close the door, and then tomorrow morning when we leave for Zumba, I will try to remember to turn it on. And then that way it's finished by the time I get home, but no doubt I don't remember to do it until I get back home. So we are just wrapping up a little dance party that's here. It's 11:57, so it didn't take too much time at all. I am completely exhausted, of course. I so appreciate you joining with me. I hope you were able to get something clean while I was cleaning, or you just enjoyed watching. So I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.